Hello students, this video related to the important topic of electrochemistry chapter, that is Nernst equation. If you are considering this particular equation of metal ion in the aqueous state gaining n number of electrons and converting into solid metal. Say for example zinc ion Zn2 plus, I am writing in the place of metal ion in the aqueous state gaining 2 electrons and converting into solid zinc. So this is the equation. For such equation, the electrode potential at any given concentration can be calculated by Nernst equation, and that can be written as E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT divided by NF natural log of concentration of M divided by concentration of metal ion. Here E naught is the standard potential of electrode, R is the molar gas constant, T is the temperature in Kelvin, F is the Faraday whose value is 96,500 coulomb. 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 coulomb. N, the number of electrons involved in electrode reaction. And concentration of Mn2 plus is written as square bracket Mn2 plus concentration of metal ion divided by square bracket M is the concentration of pure solid metal, which is unity, nothing but 1. So we can write the Nernst equation in this form. As the metal concentration is referred as unity, so in the place of M we can write it as 1. So this is the representation of Nernst equation for a reaction of this type. Now same here, if you want to convert the natural log into log, then we have to multiply 2.303, and R value we know, universal gas constant 8.314 into temperature is 298 Kelvin, standard temperature is 298 Kelvin divided by F, that is 96,500 coulomb. When you calculate this, we will get the value 0.0591. So this value we can substitute in the equation. Then we will get one new equation called as E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N into log of, we have converted natural log into log, 1 divided by concentration of metal ion, concentration of metal ion. So this is the equation after calculating 2.303 with universal gas constant, temperature, and divided by Faraday's value. We got this equation. Now if you get reduction as well as oxidation reaction both, for example if you are getting a reaction of type Zn plus Cu2 plus gives rise to Zn2 plus Cu. So here in the aqueous state, you can find copper ion in the reactant side and zinc ion in the product side. For this particular reaction, we can write the Nernst equation as E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N value, number of electron N, into log of concentration of product divided by concentration of reactant. So here zinc is losing 2 electrons by oxidation and copper is gaining 2 electron by reduction. In place of N we can write 2, as N is the number of electron. In the place of N we can write 2, and in the place of product we can write the concentration of zinc ion Zn2 plus, and in the place of reactant we can write the concentration of copper ion, because copper ion is at the reactant side. So this is the Nernst equation for the particular type of reaction. Let us move further. We can find out the relationship between equilibrium constant Kc and E naught of a cell. Equilibrium constant Kc and E naught of a cell. In a galvanic cell involving the net cell reaction of the type AA plus BB gives rise to Cc plus Dd. So we can write Nernst equation for this type is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT divided by NF natural log of concentration of C to the power of C into concentration of D to the power of D divided by concentration of A to the power of A into concentration of B to the power of B. This is the representation of Nernst equation for this type of reaction. Now in place of this we can write as Q, where Q is the reaction quotient. Okay, then we will further calculate at equilibrium E cell is equal to 0. The reaction quotient Q is equal to Kc, where Kc is the equilibrium constant. Reaction quotient Q is equal to Kc because Kc is the equilibrium constant. Then we will get the equation. If the E cell is 0, E naught cell is equal to RT by NF natural log of Kc. For the above equation, this particular equation, if E cell is 0, then we will take this E naught cell this side, then minus becomes plus. Then we will get this equation E cell is equal to RT by NF natural log of Kc. Now natural log of Kc, if you want to convert into log, as I said 2.303 you have to use. So we will get the formula E naught cell is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log of Kc. Here temperature is 298 Kelvin, Faraday is 96,500 Coulomb, 1 Faraday, R value is 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. If we calculate this, all this value, we will get, as I have explained, 0.0591 divided by N log of Kc. So this is the final relationship between E naught of a cell and equilibrium constant Kc. We have some numericals related to this. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction. We have to calculate the Kc at 298 Kelvin for the particular reaction. Cu plus 2Ag plus gives rise to Cu2 plus 2Ag. Given that electrode potential of Ag plus bar Ag is 0.80 volts and E naught of copper ion is 0.34 volts. So we'll write the formula that E naught cell is equal to 0.0591 divided by N log of Kc. As we have to find out Kc, if we take Kc this side, we'll get log Kc is equal to N E naught divided by 0.059. So let us find out first electrode potential. Standard electrode potential of a cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, that we are going to use. So here a cathode is Ag bar plus Ag, whose concentration is 0.80 volts, minus E naught of anode is Cu2 plus bar Cu, whose potential is 0.34. So we will get 0.46 volt as a standard electrode potential of a cell. Now we will apply in the formula. Here number of electrons are 2. One copper ion loses 2 electrons and Ag plus 2 Ag plus ions gains 2 electrons to convert into 2 Ag. So number of electrons are involving are 2. So 2 into standard electrode potential 0.46 divided by 0.059, we will get 15.59. Now taking anti-log Kc, we will get 3.92 into 10 to the power of 15. Now we have one more relation between standard free energy change, that is delta G naught, and electrode potential. The relation is delta G naught is equal to minus N F E naught. So where delta G naught is standard free energy change, N is the number of electron, F is a Faraday, and E naught of a cell is standard electrode potential. So we have one problem. E naught FSL is 0.236 volts at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the delta G naught for the reaction. We have one reaction where Fe3 plus is converting into Fe2 plus, 2 Fe3 plus are involving, and 2 I minus are converting into I2. Means the number of electrons are involving 2. Means 1 Fe3 plus is gaining 1 electron to form Fe2 plus. So 2 Fe2 plus are there. So 2 electrons, and 1 I minus lose 1 electron. So 2 I minus loses 2 electrons to convert I2. So number of electrons are 2. Let us substitute. In the place of N is 2, Faraday 96,500, and electrode potential they have given 0.236 volts. We'll get minus 45548 joules. We have one more numerical here. A zinc rod is dipped in 0.095 molar solution of zinc sulfate at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the electrode potential of zinc electrode. So standard electrode potential given for zinc, that is minus 0.76 volt. So we will write the formula Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log of 1 divided by concentration of zinc ion. So E naught of SL they have given 0.76 minus 0.0591. Number of electrons are involving 2, and here zinc is losing 2 electrons. Log of 1 divided by concentration of zinc ion is 0.095 molar. So when you calculate, you will get log 10, and log 10 value is 1, and the final answer will be minus 0.79021 volt. We have one more numerical to find out the standard electrode potential of the Daniell cell is 1.1 volt, and here we need to find out the standard Gibbs free energy change for the reaction. And here 2 electrons are involving, minus 2 into Faraday 96,500. E naught standard electrode potential is 1.1 volt. So we'll get minus 212300 joules per moles delta G naught value. We have one more numerical related to Nernst equation. Calculate the EMF of a cell in which the following reaction taking place. Ni is converting into Ni2 plus, and 2 Ag plus are converting into Ag. Standard electrode potential given 1.05 volts. We will write the Nernst equation. E cell minus E naught cell, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log of concentration of product Ni2 plus divided by concentration of reactant Ag plus raised to the power of 2, because there are 2 Ag plus are involving in the reaction. That's why Ag plus raised to the power 2 we have written. So let us substitute. E naught of SL given 1.05 minus 0.0591 divided by N, because 2 electrons are involving in the reaction. 2 log of concentration of Ni2 plus is 0.160, and concentration of Ag plus is 0.002 raised to power 2. When you calculate, we will get log 4 into, when you calculate this one, we will get log 4 into 10 to the power of 4. So let us substitute this one. So log 10 to the power of 4, we can write it as log 10,000 plus log 4. So we will get here log 10,000, we can write it as 4, and log 4 value is 0.6021. So we'll calculate, we'll get 0.914 volts.